Hey, what's up guys, this is Manny back again with another video. Today we're gonna do a build. I'm gonna be using the mini-itx board that I did on a video you can check somewhere up here, and I'm gonna be using the H200i from NZXT. I'm gonna be installing one of my GTX 1080 Ti's, and I'll be borrowing, as a matter of fact, I'll be borrowing some of my memory from my X99 build. So because right now memories are a little bit expensive, so I pre-order a kit, 16 gig from Micro Center, so I'll be picking that up soon. But without any further ado, let's get to the video.
Don't try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
Now I'm gonna hit the power button and see if everything comes to life. I'm gonna hit the delete button. Here you go, Core i7 8700K. I'm using right now 8 gigs of RAM, and I install Samsung Evo 500 gig. And also I have my Samsung 1 terabyte that I borrowed from my X99 build. I'm just gonna go out and see if we can make it all the way through Windows, okay? There you go, guys. I guess it worked. Beautiful. Let me open up CPU ZID, see what we get. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in on the screen. All right, I'm gonna run Cinebench on it and see what score I get. I'm gonna move the camera back. And he runs. Here you go, guys. I have a score of 1404 on this setup. Now I'm gonna zoom in again and move the camera. There you go, guys. That's my score, 1404. I think it's pretty good. Let me know, guys, in the comments down below what you guys think about my build. So I encountered a couple hiccups on it. It was my first time doing this mini-itx, but I think it came out pretty good. All right, so my take on the case, it's a beautiful case. It's really small, it's really nice. If you are, lack of space, the NZXT H200i will be a perfect computer case for your desk setup. I recommend it. So, hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Please like this video. Dislike if you dislike it. Please leave any comments below. You guys can follow me on Twitter at mini-itx, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.